Happy with bronze, but of course I wanted the gold. Mixed emotions right now, but super happy with my performance.
Feels amazing to be taking home the gold.
Trying to head down around. That was a good dive. Finally win gold at the Olympics. Happy with the bronze. I wouldn't say I'm miserable with the result. I'm definitely not pleased with it. I was flopping in the second half of that race. The other guys just quicker than me today.
Sorry?
Incredible atmosphere. Yeah, I could see the finish. Dug deep. I just kept going. Incredible moment. I knew if he got past, it'd be game over. So I thought, you shall not pass. Incredibly proud. Great bunch of guys. Yeah, it was a good dive. Great atmosphere. Team GB. Incredible moment. Incredible atmosphere.
And I am down.
I found my Craig trying to go ahead down. Myself, great race. New world record. And it's great. This medal means everything. Dreaming of this since I was a kid. Amazing.
Dreamed a dream in time.
Turn around, never forget. And the crowd came out the blocks well. I had a dream my life would be. Incredible atmosphere. Incredible atmosphere. Great atmosphere. Incredible to be here. Yeah, it was a good dive. Let's just head down the whole way. Went for it.
Life worth living.
I was happy with it. Quadruple axel Sultana. 4.75. Yeah, can't complain. Great atmosphere. Great atmosphere. What would I say to aspiring athletes? I'd say... Keep pushing. Dig deep. Great atmosphere. Keep pushing.
Incredible atmosphere.